The next step is to click on the UCP program that it is for the laser cutter. On the bottom right corner, you can see a red button that says Settings. Click on it. After you click on it, a whole window appears in front of your screen. What you need to fill in here is the colors that you actually use in your design. For our circle, we used black color because we want to engrave it, and the red color because we want to cut the circle. So the only two colors that we're gonna fill in is the black and the red, so ignore the others. Because this bridge wood that we're gonna cut is the one that we have already pre-selected values, because we can find it here on the sample, we're gonna follow these values and we're gonna fill in the gaps. So for our design, for our circle, we used the red and the black color. So we're gonna fill in all these values, one after the other. So let's go to do that. Okay, first you click on the top one, let's say, it's the black one. And here we have power, speed, PPI, and Z-axis. So you start filling in the gaps. For the black one, this is 80, then 100, as it is, then 300, and then 3 millimeters. As you can see, I wrote 3 millimeters, but here it says again off. What you need to do then is go at the Z-axis here, click, and then press on. And then write your correct value, that for now is 3, because 3 is the thickness of our material. This is why we use 3. And then you click, and then it's done. When you fill in correctly, as you can see here, the black ones, we put all of them correctly there. After you're done with this, you click Set and Apply. Then we click on the red color here, and then we write again the correct values for the red one. You can see the red one is 106.5, 150, and 3 millimeters, which is the thickness of our material. And we use 3 because we want to cut through. So let's put the correct values. 6.5, be careful, not comma, it's a point, always a point. 150 and 3. Again, set, apply. We put the values both for the black and the red one, so now we're done. We don't have any more colors for our design. So then we press OK, and we are ready to cut. However, I'm gonna show you something else too. If you double click again at the settings, and this window will appear again, there is always another tab which is called Material Database, because right now, before we were at the manual control. Material Database have many different materials that you are able to cut at the laser cutter. We don't have samples with the values for all of these materials. So if you want to cut like a specific fabric, then you should come here to see what values you have to use. And then you click, okay, you want fabric, you click at the plus one, and then let's say that we want a nylon one. You click that one here. You go down over there at the material thickness and you write the thickness of your fabric. For instance, let's say that the fabric is 2 millimeters thick. And then units, use metric, not inches, please. And then you just click apply.